Within the account section of Business Hub, you have account statements. What you can do is come over here and generate statements, and you can choose if it's for a particular month or it's on demand for a particular time frame, and then choose if they're emailed to customers or only customers with an outstanding balance. Another way you can do it is come into an individual company or a customer profile, and on the far right, I can click Generate Statement. So I can generate a statement for all of Brittany's outstanding orders that need to be paid. Now, you see that it just kind of refreshed. Well, what happened is down here in account statements, we have now created a new statement for Brittany. So we'll go ahead, search for Brittany. Here we are. Let's view her statement sheet. So she was emailed this account statement to then view it in her account profile where she can then pay for the orders. Now, when you see it, there's nothing here because really she doesn't owe us any money. She paid the $433. She has no outstanding balance. But if we come into our company here and we generate a statement, and we'll do it, I don't know, for the entire last year. And let's see if there's any orders that need to be paid by this company. So when we create this statement, it's going to come down here. Statements are really used a lot when we have a store set up so that the company is going to pay for all of the invoices. So maybe we have a bunch of employees coming into a store, placing orders, and they're each making an individual order invoice. And rather than the company have to go in and pay each one, we can generate this account statement. So this time we'll search by the company, Columbus Promos, and we will view the statement. And you can see here, the business owes $4,525.66. If the company may be paid by credit card or gave me a check, we can come in here to record payments. I'm going to look for that same exact company right here, and I can choose how it's being paid, and then select the invoices that are being paid. Now you're probably wondering, why is the number different here than it was when I generated that statement? Well, remember, I did it for all of 2025, 2026. Actually, I think I went all the way back to here. So when you select, there it is, the invoices, it's going to give you that total. So they would have written us a check for $45.25.66 because that's what I told them the statement was for that time frame. And I can mark these as paid, and then I could create another statement if necessary for these other two that are unpaid. DecoNetwork makes it easy to generate a statement and then record a payment for all of the orders that are paid against that account statement.